All right, guys, we are starting on our week 33 bell ringer paper. We're going to look at Monday. Yeah, it has been a while since we've been in our normal groove between spring break and ACAP review and ACAP prep. And then I was sick. Put your chair down. You can't bend on that. It will bend the legs. So if you want to wobble, get the gray stool. So let's go ahead. We are going to be back to our normal routine for at least the next 3 weeks of covering skills and doing bell ringers. So let's look. Number 1 says select all the true statements. Okay, so I'm not going to pick just one correct answer. I have to look at them all. And one is about the greatest common factor, and the other one is about the least common multiple, right? So I know that the factor is x times x. It's those two numbers that make up a multiple, right? And the multiple, these are the outcomes, right? These are the end results, okay? So A, the greatest common factor of 20 and 40 is 10. So the largest number that makes up 20 and 40 that they have in common is 10? No, it is not. What about 20? Yes. So A is not correct. B, the least common multiple of 20 and 40 is 40. Yes. Because 40 times 1 equals 40 and 20 times 2 equals 40. C, the greatest common factor of 30 and 60 is 30. Yes. Because 30 times 1 equals 30, and 30 times 30 times 2 equals 60, and 60 times 1 equals 60. Correct. Correct. I wrote this wrong. 30 times 2 equals 60, and 30, I was sitting here looking at it going, but that does not answer that question. And 30 times 1 equals 30. So 30 is what is the greatest common factor. See, this is the factor that they have in common. Correct. D, the least common multiple of 30 and 60 is 180. No. The least common multiple of 30 and 60 is 60. Very good. E, the greatest common factor of 12 and 18 is 6. Yes. The least common multiple of 12 and 18 is 24. No. That is not accurate. All right, now let's look at number 2. Number 2, use a standard coordinate plane to answer the questions below. Each unit on the coordinate plane represents 1 mile. A map of Jordan's neighborhood is created on the coordinate plane. So I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to use... So this horizontal is what? Axis. X. And the vertical axis is Y. Okay, so if Jordan's house is located at 0, -2, I start where? At the origin. Am I going to move left to right? No. Am I going to move up or down? Down. So this is going to be whose house? That's Jordan's house. Now, let's look at part A. Part A says Jordan's grandmother's house is located 4 miles north of Jordan's house. Which ordered pair represents the location of Jordan's grandmother's house? So where am I going to go? I'm going to go up how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that puts his grandmama's house at what? 0, positive 2. So the correct answer is C. And it is a reflection across what axis? X. It's a reflection across the X axis. Part B. Okay, so Jordan's school is located at 5, negative 2, at point 5, negative 2. How far in miles is the school from Jordan's house? What am I going to do? Okay, what's your answer? The answer is 5, and that is correct. Now, can you justify your answer for me? Okay, so I'm going to start at origin, and I'm going to go where? Left or right? I'm going to go right 5, and then I'm going to go up or down? Down, how many? 2. So this would be the school, right? So from Jordan's house to the school is 5 units. And how many units? And the units are each what? 1 mile. So if there's 5 units, it's how many miles? 5 miles. Good job.